Hi guys, I'm here in the city. I'm in the metro train station. I'm just having experiment. This is the entrance of the metro train station. This is only new. So now I'm gonna catch a escalator to go downstairs. I'm having adulthood today. That's the tunnel. That's blue. Blue thing. They said that's the tunnel. Ah yes, yes, yes. Okay, that button is the tunnel. This is the metro train, metro station. That's the escalator to go down because this metro train is under the ground.